Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to allow the shift of mind that comes with the read of a meaningful poem to occur through the reading of a meaningful poem, and then practice your form. We don't have to memorize the poem. We don't have to repeat it like a mantra in our minds. We don't even have to really hold it. What I want to do is use the poem's sort of particular power to invite me across a threshold of the mind. Maybe it's a threshold of the psyche or the spirit. And so I have a long lie here. It's a 4-line poem I opened to called Deer Park Hermitage. I'm going to just read it twice. Okay, so I'm inspired for sure, and the inspiration can be plenty, but the idea is to allow that to offer me an opportunity to shift into a different mind state, and then enjoy my practice. I'm kind of faking it a little bit because I'm trying to make a video and talk to you and pay attention to the camera and the time, but I really am just here to assign the homework. I'll practice it privately. So enjoy that, and if a particular poem speaks to you, I'd really appreciate hearing it from you. Put it in the comments. Thank you so much. Love.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.